Yep, just walking on the train tracks. A little bit more swell than yesterday. This is probably what I'd call an average winter swell. Like 2 feet, 2.5 feet in 14 seconds. Pretty flat tide today, right around the midline. Oh, looks like some waves up there for sure. I'm hoping we'll get lucky up here. I've been getting lucky up here lately. So, definitely seems like there's a little bump in the water. Look at that one. Little wave. Yeah. Might be fun. Section looks pretty good. This section looks a little mixed up, but I think it's low tide. I think the tides is just about to start coming back in, so maybe a little bit more water will help this. Usually it does. Wow. Other than that. It's pretty fun out here. Oh. Pretty fun out here. Like, definitely some closeouts, but like, every now and then there's an open one. Got this little section of myself right now. Hopefully one comes through. the fun part. Walking back in over these barnacle encrusted rocks. Nard. 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 The trick is to wait till the water starts pulling out and make as much progress as you can. Don't ding your board and don't cut your feet. Easier said than done. Look at that one. Arrgh. Yeah, California surfing is a very group-oriented activity. Where I'm from, it's not. Where I'm from, it's kind of the thing where you go looking solo. There are less people who can keep up too. It's a little easier for intermediates in California to keep up just due to the mellow nature of most of the waves here. Oh, set. Someone get it. The wind's starting to get on it a little bit now. I definitely think we got the best little window. When I first paddled out, it was like wave after wave there for like 45 minutes. I was actually kind of tired. Threw up in my mouth a little bit from excitement. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not a groupthink person. I'm not a group person. I wouldn't call myself antisocial, but I definitely am not a group person, especially when it comes to surfing. Like, if you're gonna surf with me, you pretty much have to be able to keep up. And yeah, even then, even if we surf together, I feel like if I surf with one other person, they're on their own and I'm on my own. It's just not the way I roll. I never see this many people. I wonder why. Is it a holiday or something? Am I missing something? I don't know. It got pretty crowded there. It wasn't working necessarily as good. I'm gonna check another spot. Yeah, low tide. Not too promising here either. Maybe we got the best of it. Swell's starting to drop off. It was quick up and quick down for this one. It is what it is. Outer reef.